Hey guys, DIY Maniac John P here. Today's video is to make an announcement about a new addition to the channel, a new project vehicle. A 2006 Yamaha BWS. But it's not my vehicle, it's my son's. My 15-year-old son went out and he got his scooter license, and this week we took him out scooter shopping and he selected this 2006 BWS that he will be paying for himself as he works part-time. Very proud of him. The exciting part of this vehicle on the channel, a lot of new content for you guys. We're going to be going over some of the maintenance items on these particular scooters, and really not just about the Yamaha and all these 50cc scooters. A lot of the maintenance steps I'm going to detail also are applicable to other brands on the market. In the coming weeks to months, we're going to be making video content around stuff like changing out the front brakes, the rear brakes, the transmission gear oil, flushing the brake fluid, down to even simple stuff like changing the spark plugs. And here's where I have a service to ask of you guys. In this video, if you could go down in the comments and maybe leave some ideas or suggestions for some of the videos you would like to see us make around this machine, maybe some questions you had regarding it, I'd be more than happy to see if I could put that kind of content together for you. In the coming weeks, my son and I are as well going to be painting the whole vehicle. I should say he's going to be doing the majority of the work, sanding down the panels and putting on a fresh layer of paint. I think he's going for the flat black look, as we could already tell by that back fairing. So I'm really excited to have this new vehicle on the channel and to bring you this content. I'm going to be having a playlist created just for this machine, and as I come out with new videos, I'm going to be putting it into that playlist so it's well organized and easy for you guys to follow. So once again, excited to bring this to you. Please leave your comments, questions, and suggestions down below. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care.